Let's get ourselves cozy, loves.
Hey everyone, my name is Sarah and I am the owner of the Collective Cosmetics USA. This holiday season and this year is unlike any other, not only in the history of the Collective Cosmetics, but ever.
Obviously, 2020 has been a crazy year. We know that this Christmas and this year's been so hard on everyone, because what got us through this year really is all of you. It's every single purchase of someone tagging us in our products. So to every single one of you, thank you, and from the bottom of our hearts, we can't tell you how much we appreciate it.
Yes, we specialize in fantasy and we pride ourselves on creativity. But we feel as artists and makeup lovers, that is so needed right now. Like I said, we specialize in fantasy. So with that, we wish you a holiday season, or just a season that's merry and bright.
So with all that being said, let's jump into the swatches, the talking, enjoy our little wine if you're having one, but let's just have some fun for a while together, my loves.
So let's start with our newest baby. This is the long-awaited Death by Light palette. Everybody who knows us knows that we only release one palette a year, and this is it. This is a great gift for somebody that loves indie, cruelty-free, vegan makeup that packs a punch. We have 3 mattes, 2 satins, and 3 foils. All together, these colors are not only cohesive, but they can actually be worn alone. Currently, and for a limited time only, every Death by Light purchase qualifies you to get a free eyeshadow of choice, but that will end on Black Friday.
Death by Light, whenever we were coming up with the concept for it, the Mandela effect, space and time, Death by Light, they're all looks that we created when we created the Collective series. So these aren't palettes that we're just throwing together, it's a little bit of us as an artist, us as creators. You look at a colour like this blue, it's a deep, rich blue colour. We must have went through about 20 to 25 variants of that. What's brilliant with this is the perfect little palette. Imagine opening that on Christmas Day. It catches the eye, it is stunning. The hollow overcoat, Death by Light, what bliss.
Our Black Friday sale is coming up. It's 30% off store-wide, excluding the Death by Light palette, wholesale items, and subscriptions. Next up, we have the Club Kids palette. So this was our first highlighter palette ever, and the top actually features 3 duochromes. The bottom features 3 blinders. These are stunning. I'm wearing one of them today, but I'm wearing this one right here. And look at it. Ah, yeah. These are FDA compliant. The sparkles are actually eye safe. And like everything else, PETA certified, vegan, and cruelty free.
Our little baby, the Mandela Effect palette. This palette is everything I ever wanted whenever we were creating our first ever palette. You've got the warms, you've still got those green tones. A look that I think would be absolutely perfect. Like, look at this. Screaming, it's this brick red colour. This pigmentation is absolutely there. And that colour combination of the red and that lovely green, that is a Christmas look if ever I've seen one. Top that off with the product I'm going to show you in a minute. God, head turned. What I love about the Mandela palette is it features 10 mattes and 5 shimmers, so you really have the versatility to create so many looks. These shimmers lay over each other absolutely like a dream. Let's take 2010 for instance. This gold colour goes on like butter. This sort of colour combination, it's the classic Christmas, but it isn't gonna make you look like an elf. Elf on a shelf. I love that we went with this all matte black finish on this palette. It's a timeless palette. You've got the variety in here where you could, if you wanted to, create your everyday basic look. You've got those lovely transitional colours, deep colours that will work on any skin tone, which is something that's really important to us and that we always try to represent everyone when creating our makeup.
The Moon Twin palette is our multi-purpose palette. So this one actually features 4 of our blinding highlighters on the bottom, and then it has this sort of mod inspired take on these pastel colors along with some truly rich dark that would be great for that person on your list who absolutely loves makeup and loves things that are different.
And of course, to speak about the next product, if you wanted to elevate that look, is we have our lovely glitter liners. The secret to a good glitter liner is to allow it to dry and build up that glitter. What I use this for is I put it on the center of the eye. It gives you the glitter without the mess. There's no fallout, there's no faffing about with glitter glue, and it's a one and done over a matte, even over a shimmer to add that extra punch of sparkle. We've got such a wide variety of colours in these as well. The silver and the gold. This is such stunning classic colours, and then you've got your more fun colours, your iridescents, your reds, your blues. You can really tell your story your way this holiday season.
Our Astoria Goth Eau de Parfum is one of those delirium-inducing, obsessive fragrances. It's a modern take on a goth, deep, incense-filled perfume. So this smells like fire and peaches. It is a very sexy gift. And we offer 2 sizes, the beautiful glass bottle for $48 or the sample size for $5 if you'd like to try it.
Up next, this is just a little stocking filler. It's Sub Rosa. It is our lip balm, and if you're like me, during the winter season, chopped lips is something that I deal with, and this is just a perfect little gift to wrap up, throw in a little stocking. It's so useful.
So we also have some amazing stocking stuffers where we're going to be offering 2 products for $15. So depending on what products you get, you can save anywhere from $5 to $10. If you get like a glitter liner and a mascara, you save about $5 because regularly they're $20. If you get something like a lipstick, by the way, I'm wearing Chernobyl Rose. If you get a lipstick and a mascara, or a lipstick and a glitter, you save about $10. So they're great little stocking stuffers for people who maybe don't know the brand, want to try the brand, but all in all, we're super proud of them. Especially with our twisted mascara and the twist button mechanism. It's so good.
One of the things that our customers love most about us is that we offer a vast array of single shadows. These are just some of my own personal ones in my collective cosmetic palette. We really try to offer such a wide range of colours so that you can build up your own colour stories. As a working makeup artist, a product like this is ideal for you because you can build not just those neutral tones in your palette, but also those colours that really pack a punch. We only use the best ingredients when making our shadows. We scour the world and only bring together the best ingredients to hand press our shadows. We are ethical makeup, we are vegan, we're cruelty free. Not only do we want to have stunning makeup, but we want to have makeup that you're proud to wear. This is a massive palette. As a makeup artist or even as a makeup lover, the clear front, you can see every product you have. I always keep these sitting on my makeup desk, and it's just inspiring to sit down and you see this orange is jumping out at me now, and then I think, orange, what kind of, and then I can go and I can get other products that would work well with it or just work solely from this palette. The ability to choose makeup that you want and create your own palette.
We hope you enjoyed our holiday gift guide, and as always, we love to see your creations. Many of you may know that when you tag us, we feature you on our social media pages. We even have a lot of our customers featured on our website. So please tag us, show us your creations. We always get a kick out of that, and once again, we wish you the very best of what's left of this year, as well as the coming year.
Thank you so much, my loves, for watching and spending time with us. This was an absolute pleasure, and really, to finish this year, I think we deserve to treat ourselves. Have the most wonderful festive season, my loves, from our household to yours.